Hello, YouTube.
Welcome to Drawing Art. It's the drawing loading.
Are you drawing on my mill scale? I do have something to show you, though. Oh, you people there in YouTube land. Somebody gave me boxes like this.
My cheese.
Are you gonna... Anyway, show our patrons here.
Yeah.
Well, not patrons. These are square... what are these called? Nuts?
Square nuts.
Square nuts.
SpongeBob.
Well, anyway, I have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 wooden boxes like this, full of all kinds of ridiculous hardware. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with boxes of square nuts. There's like tons of them in here. I mean, not a lot. My guess is I should put them all together and make a chair out of them, because
put you together.
I have those ones. We have some like this. Eh?
I want that. I'm just kidding.
Don't. Wait. We even have
I was just drawing SpongeBob.
bigger ones.
What can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a
Look.
ring.
Check this out.
But I got a ring.
Look at all these washers. We have some of those too. Cool. You have a ring. Don't get it stuck on your finger. That won't be easy to cut off your finger, kid. You'll have to cut your finger.
On my pinky. I took off it was easy.
Look, you even have a shitload of wrecked square bolts.
It's me.
See that square head? Those are old bolts.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know if they're old. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about.
Dada?
I got tons. Tons.
Dada?
Yeah.
Did it just, someone cut this piece off?
Yeah, it looks like it. Giant lock washers. I have no idea what you do with those. We could weld them together. I got giant Allen key things. What else do we got? All kinds of random stuff. So, just when you think we're running out of junk to record, more junk shows up.
Yeah, junk.
Junk, yeah. You want to weld all together? Make a chair one of these days?
Yeah.
I want to make a chair top out of them.
I want to make a chair.
Anyway, we're going to end this video here.
No.
I mean, no. We're not going to bore them with this stuff. You want to keep recording?
Yeah.
You folks out there want to see Kaya on video? Probably rather see her play with screws, nuts, than me talk about tools, huh?
It's all stacked.
It's all stacked.
Yeah.
We'll play Jenga with screws, with bolts. Hold on. Let's turn it off. We'll start another video, okay?
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.